Excuse me, how's yours? Miss? Tol, buhay pa ba yan?
Baka na-trauma lang.
Miss? Are you alright? Anybody home? Are you with us?
Miss, okay ka lang?
Why is this happening to me?
This is happening because...
Why is this happening to me?
Tol, intindi ng tama niyan. Alis na tayo. Lumayo ka dyan. Halika na.
Chip, na-secure ko na lahat ng tools na ginamit nila sa resource cam. At dahil caught in the act sila, pwede natin ito ipasok as physical evidence kasama ng cyber evidence ng mga nakalap natin.
Ayos. Pati witness. Pasok.
May sasabihin ka pa?
May sasabihin pa ba ako na hindi niyo alam? Para din kay si Cassandra eh. Kuda ng kuda. Hindi naman alam yung nararamdaman ko.
How could you do this to me, Mariska?
Miss, tama na!
You don't know what it's like to watch someone have everything. Hindi mo alam, Cassandra. Kasi hindi ka naman naghirap eh. I did this because I just want to be seen like you. Daya nga eh. Kasi ikaw, kahit anong gawin mo, ito-tolerate ka ng mga tao. Susuportahan ka nila. Kasi may pera kaya kung kahit anong gawin ko. At siya pwera pa din ako.
How's it my fault? Bakit parang kasalanan ko? I was just born rich.
You're hopeless. You spoiled, selfish na mo, baby.
Can someone just arrest her already?
Ano po yan?
I said, just arrest her already.
Dali mo na ka.
Okay. Ma'am, may we go out?
You actually should have trusted you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll make sure you rot.
Yes, ma'am.
So yun na nga, Chip. Nanalo pala si Alex Ayala. Magkaiba pala yung badminton tsaka tennis, no?
Ay, nako, Heck.
Past few months have been the most productive period in firewall history. Together, you've prevented countless lives from being exploited and brought several criminal networks to justice. At hindi nyo ma-achieve to without the cooperation of every member of this team. I'm proud of all of you. So for exemplary performance and outstanding service in the line of duty, congratulations, agents. Agent Cervantes,
Thank you, sir.
good job. Agent Villarreal, congrats. Agent J.J. Gonzaga. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po.
Congrats.
Special thanks to Agent Leila Aragon
Thank you, sir.
for your dedication and commitment to every operation entrusted to you. Kahit nakalik.
Salamat, sir.
Hex.
Uy,
Congratulations. What can I say? From a hacker to being me an asset. You know, I have to be honest with you. Nung una, duda ako sa loyalty mo eh. But you know, time and again, you've proven that you can be trusted as an asset. And because of that, you're now recognized as an official member of Team Firewall.
Oh. Saan po hindi taglo? Ma-jacket pa! Chief, salamat. Teka no. Oh, mes, come to sir, ha?
Mukha ba akong scammer? Ha? Mukha ba niloloko? Akin na.
Hindi, Chief. Biro lang.
Congratulations.
Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat sa tiwala.
Deserve it.
Thank you.
Deserve it. At pagkatapos ito, tatanggalin natin yung ankle monitor mo.
Talaga, Chief, ha?
Consider yourself a free man. Agent Silverio.
Yes! Chief! Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Salamat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Pakan nyo ang mga sarili ninyo.
Yay! Thank you po. Salamat. Team Firewall.
Good job, Agent.
Thank you. Oh, thank you po. Thank you. Grabe. Tama yung spelling, oh. Oh, hey.
Oh, bakit may mga mali ba
Rex.
spelling sa inyo?
Welcome to Team Firewall.
Chief, salamat. Ikaw to eh.
Ikaw lahat yan.
Salamat.
Tol, congrats.
Salamat, Tol.
Tol, congrats pa rin ha.
Kayo.
Bagay sa'yo. Deserve mo yan, Tol.
Salamat sa tulong.
Ano ko ba? Tingnan niya. Sukat niya natin to.
Sukat nga natin. You know, Nice naman. Pogi ako dito.
Isang Pilipina ang natagpo ang patay sa bansang Santara.
Tol, sigurado ako. Kasama yan ang utol mo na nadukot ng sindikato.
Oras na makonek yung babaeng yan sa operasyon natin. Yari tayo!
Doon yung operation ng sindikatong kumuha ng kapatid ni Carlo.
Kaya magpapaalam po sana ako sa inyo. Nadadalhin ko po ang Team Firewall sa Santara.
Ano sabi ko, Maiba?
Kailangan natin hintayin yung proseso.
Tol, saan ka pupunta?
Pupunta ko yung kapatid ko.
Galo.
Galo!
Nasaan si Sir Duke?
Umalis!
Kailan siya babalik?
Hindi na.
Siya sumasagot!
Hindi kaya napatay na siya doon.
Kapag may dumating na taga-Pilipinas at nagtanong tungkol sa babaeng yan, iligpit nyo.
Hoy!